Allocating screens to schedules. To add a new signage screen to your site, click on the large plus icon and select the New Screen option. When the signage software is installed on a new signage screen, it will display an 8-digit installer code. It is this code you should enter in the text field provided. Give your screen a unique name so that you can identify it later, and finally, select a new or existing schedule for the new screen. Select Register Screen once you are done. After a few seconds, the screen will connect to the site and the red warning triangle will change to a green check. If enabled, you will also see a pop-up informing you of the connection status. Any content that is now planned in the schedule will also appear on the new screen. You will be prompted to push the content live whenever you press the Save button. If you wish a screen to display different content, then you will need to make a new schedule for that screen. To add a new schedule, click on the large plus icon and select the New Schedule option. Give your new schedule a name and click OK. You may then drag your screen into this new schedule. Confirm the move by clicking Yes on the pop-up message. To publish new content, open the schedule and drag the content from the Content Management panel into a new time slot within the schedule. In just the same way, you can move the screen out of the new schedule and return it back to the original schedule. Confirm the move by selecting Yes on the pop-up message. Once a schedule has no allocated screens, it can easily be deleted by clicking on the large trash bin icon. Confirm the deletion by selecting Yes on the pop-up message.